I haven't eaten meat in over 6 years. I'm vegan, I only eat fruits and vegetables, and I'm so happy that there's a quick service burger for vegans like me. Burger King is the home of the Whopper, and meron daw silang plant-based Whopper dito. And everything about it is vegan, so syempre umorder ako. I also got some hash bites, actually a lot of hash bites. Ang laki ng plant-based Whopper, it's as big as my hand. Ang bet ko talaga sa Whopper is the veggies are always fresh and crunchy. Okay, let's confirm if this is all worth the buzz kasi masarap lahat ng Whoppers ng Burger King. Surprisingly, lasa talaga siyang flame grilled and it tastes clean and light. It tastes like a Whopper burger. If you're a plant-based vegan like me or you're curious and you want to try something new, then go get your plant-based Whopper. Solid choice to.